let's train our first hachi model. So I'm going to open VS Code, and I already have a folder where I have the MIDI file that I want to use to train my first model. This is a MIDI file of music by Eric Satie, which is the same piece that I used to train the model that I showed in the demo. If you're not familiar with this piece, let me give you a preview. Let's do this. Let's play it back. So very famous and very simple music. So the first thing to know about hachi is that it can only understand data that is in either CSV or JSON format. So it cannot models cannot be trained directly on MIDI. However, there is a command that we can run to convert MIDI data into either CSV or JSON, which is the format command. So if I run, let me zoom in so that you can see more clearly. If I run hachi format and then I pass the MIDI file, this is going to generate a CSV file that represents the same MIDI events, but in CSV format. We don't need to get too deep into what each of these numbers mean. All we need to know for now is that we already have the MIDI data in a format that is compatible with hachi. Now, all I need to do to train the model is run hachi train and then pass the CSV formatted data. So I can say hachi train data.csv, and this is going to kick off the training loop. So I can see all the default parameters for the training, some of the features of the model that I'm going to be training, some benchmarking for latency using the MPS accelerator. And here I can see the training time, the progress of the training, the current epoch, the loss, and the learning delta between the current and the previous epoch. So this might take around 3 minutes. So I'm going to pause the recording and then come back once it's ready. Okay, so it's done training. We can see that it took about 3 minutes to train. So in the next video, we're going to take a look at how to generate data using this model.